Hey, we're here at Aurora. We're gonna make some Birritella's pizza. Hey,
the main thing is this.
The main thing is Birritella's.
Pizza
I got
dough.
this for my birthday, and we watched Mitch Birritella's. So, what do we do first? We throw the flour
on this, and Mitch said, "Don't be afraid of the flour." Actually, wait. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the flour.
Who's afraid of the flour?
That's a lot of flour. A lot of flour. It's a lot of flour.
That's a lot of flour.
That's too much. And we also only had whole wheat flour, so we're gonna suffer through it. Let it fall out.
Let it fall.
Oh,
it's out.
It's out.
Oh wow, Mitch, this is fun, Mitch.
He said you have to actually pick it up like this, make it wide. Oh shoot, this is harder than he makes it look.
Well,
I think you have to put it in the center.
He's Italian. He knows how to actually make pizza.
You have to put it in the center, and then like one hand goes in the center. I think we should use. Look. Actually, it's not bad.
It's not really round.
It's not round.
It kind of looks like a giant.
It's not round,
thumb.
but it's going to taste delicious. A perfectly good shaped pizza with Birrittella pizza dough. He said, just put it on. Don't be afraid. But I'm afraid because some of it didn't make it. We have some hope. Oh, look at that.
That's looking nice. Let's see underneath.
Oh my goodness.
Hello. We're making pizza on the grill. Try not to burn my fingers.
Hold on.
Because I'm a guitar player and I need my fingers not to be burnt.
Looks like it's in the shape of Connecticut, which was totally not intentional.
Well, actually, no. So this would be Litchfield County right up here, which means we live right here.
Right here, okay.
Which is Roxbury. Hold on. Looks great. Okay.
All right.
Let's see. Hold on. Let me get the tray.
Yeah.
That pizza looks great. Thank you, Birritella's. This looks like an amazing. Now try not to burn my finger this time. It's the shape of the state of Connecticut.
I think it's Connecticut.
I'm pretty sure.
It could be Rhode Island. It's the size of Rhode Island.
Hey yeah, best song. The waiting is the hardest part. I'm not waiting. Let's see how this goes. We've got a nice char in the bottom. Oh my God!
Is it good?
That is real New York pizza! Wow! This is real New York pizza. Thank you, Birritella's. Wow.
We're gonna make another one.
I'm not sure I'm excited about that one as I am about this one.